My name is Salsabila Miftahul NIM 2021111040. I'm from class 2A Management. In this video, I will retell a scientific journal. Title of journal is The Analysis of Capital Market Integration in ASEAN Region by using the OGARCH approach. Abstract. Capital market integration is a topic that attracts a lot of research interest in regional and international capital market. Unfortunately, the various studies that have been done tend to use analytical tools that have not been able to conclude the degree of capital market integration quantitatively. Hence, a study that is able to measure the degree of capital market integration quantitatively is required. This study investigated the capital market integration in ASEAN by using the orthogonal generalized autoregressive conditional heteroscedasticity or OGARCH method, which could provide the degree of integration quantitatively. Capital market studied were Indonesia Stock Exchange, Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange, Thailand Stock Exchange, Singapore Stock Exchange, and Philippines Stock Exchange. During period of January 2001 to December 2016. The result of this study was there was a movement among ASEAN capital markets studied, but not all these ASEAN capital markets were fully integrated. This study also found that Indonesian Stock Exchange, Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange Thailand, and Singapore Stock Exchange were integrated, but Philippines Stock Exchange was not. The Philippine Stock Exchange tended to be segmented rather than integrated. Introduction. The integration of capital market is an interesting topic for researchers in the stock market. So it is not surprising if there have been a lot of researches on the integration of capital market that have been done either internationally or regionally. For ASEAN region, there were many researchers who have conducted studies on the integration of financial market and capital market in this region, such as for 2013, who finds that the integration of financial market in ASEAN is still in the early stage. The ASEAN capital market integration by using the data after the occurrence of the crisis in Southeast Asia found that the 5 capital markets in the ASEAN, including Indonesia, are integrated with each other. Various studies that have been conducted related to the integration of capital market, especially for capital market in the ASEAN region, still tend to produce inconsistent findings. Furthermore, the studies have not been able to conclude the integration degree of capital market examined conclusively. based on those facts. So this study aimed to review the integration of capital market in ASEAN region by using the orthogonal generalized autoregressive conditional heteroscedasticity or OCART method that were able to conclude the integration degree. The OCART method uses a principal component analysis or PCA to summarize the variation explanatory factor in the time series data and then use PCA covariance matrix to adjust the initial data of covariance matrix. The result of OCART's analysis will show the number of the variation in the data that is able to be explained by each of the principal component. In relation to the analysis of capital market integration, the greater the number of total variations that can be explained by the principal component will indicate the more integrated the capital market are. Review related to the literature. This study used the OCART method to analyze capital market integration. In the OCART model, time series data studied were linearly transformed into time series data that we not tied on one another by using PCA. PCA was defined as a procedure that used the orthogonal change in summarizing an important information content a series of variables bound to each other into unrelated variable. According to Bay 2011, those new orthogonal variables were then called as principal component PC, and the number of PC to be less than the number of initial variable. Assume that T was the number of variable and M was the number of main component. M was expected to be less than K because it was expected that deviation from the data would be issued and could simplify the calculation. Further, according to Alexander 2001, the number of major components used in the analysis would determine the accuracy of the calculation for PCA indicated the total number of variations in the initial data that could be explained by each of the main components. Thus, in general, the principal component had to calculate the larger possible variance and any variance that follow it was likely to be the Higgs variance by considering the orthogonal of the preceding components. Methodology. The data used in this research were the only closing of composite stock price index in ASEAN region, Straits Times Index of the Singapore Stock Exchange, SET Index of the Stock Exchange Thailand, Kuala Lumpur Composite Index of the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange, PSA from the Philippines Stock Exchange and Jakarta Composite Index of the Indonesia Stock Exchange. During period of January 2001 to December 2016, the data were obtained from the capital market statistic published by the Financial Service Authority or Otoritas Jasa Keuangan (OJK). Finding and discussion. By 2011 state that the OGAT technique could work well in series of data that were correlated with one another. Thus, before making the OGAT analysis correlation analysis for the capital market in the ASEAN region examined in this study was reviewed. In table 1 below, it can be seen result of correlation analysis of ASEAN capital market returns. Based on table 1, it can be seen in general the correlation of capital market returns in the ASEAN region studied in this research was significant. Therefore, the OGAT analysis was suitable for being applied on a series of data used in this study. Meanwhile, based on the OGAT analysis result had been done, it showed that the conditional variance of each capital market return in ASEAN region format two main components. In detail, it can be seen in table 2 and table 3. Whereas in figure 1, it can be seen ordered eigenvalue and eigenvalue cumulative proportion. The set on PCA analysis results shown in table 2, it was seen that the capital market in ASEAN region had 57.9% of the principal factor causing the same movement, so that there were movement in those capital market. This result supported the research result done by Click and Plummer 2005, Cheng et al. 2003, Karim and Ning 2013, who found that there were movement in the capital market in ASEAN region. The result also showed that despite the capital market had movement, that the capital market were not fully integrated. It could be seen from the commonalities degree, which only reaches 57.9%. If it was analyzed further by using eigenvector plotting as shown in table 3, it could be seen that there were 4 capital market in ASEAN region which form same principal major component, or PC1. Namely, Indonesia Stock Exchange, represented by GCI, Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange, represented by KLCI, Stock Exchange Thailand, represented by CET, and Singapore Stock Exchange, represented by STA, while Philippine Stock Exchange, represented by PSA, formed a separate principal component, or PC2. This finding sharpens the analysis result and show that the 4 capital market in ASEAN Indonesia Stock Exchange, Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange Thailand, and Singapore Stock Exchange were integrated, while the Philippine Stock Exchange tended to be segmented. This condition might occur to factors that affected the stock movement in Philippine Stock Exchange during the period of observation tended to be dominated by internal factor than external factor compared to the external factor, especially regionally. This research finding led to the policy that portfolio formation among integrated capital market would not provide an optimal diversification, that portfolio formation by engaging Philippine Stock Exchange was able to provide diversification benefit. Conclusion. This study aimed to review integration of ASEAN capital market by using the orthogonal generalized autoregressive conditional heteroscedasticity or OGADS method, which was able to conclude the degree of integration. In general, it can be concluded there is co-movement in the 5 capital markets in ASEAN region examined in this study. However, from the 5 capital markets studied, there are 2 principal component factors that influence the conditional variance, the 4 capital market in ASEAN from a principal component with the biggest weight, Indonesia Stock Exchange, Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange Thailand, and Singapore Stock Exchange. While Philippine Stock Exchange from a separate principal component, it indicates that Philippine Stock Exchange tend to be segmented from the capital market in ASEAN region. Well, Indonesia Stock Exchange, Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange, Stock Exchange Thailand, and Singapore Stock Exchange are integrated. Based on finding, it can be stated that the capital market in ASEAN region are not fully integrated. Recommendation. Portfolio manager that from the portfolio across country in ASEAN region does not need to diversify internationally or regionally if investing in Indonesian Stock Exchange, Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange Thailand, and Singapore Stock Exchange, because they tend to be integrated. Diversification can be done by including Philippines Stock Exchange into portfolio because this capital market is segmented from other capital market in ASEAN region. So, including Philippine Stock Exchange into portfolio can provide diversification benefit. Researchers who are interested in developing the same research can use larger daily data and involve other international capital market in order to explore in more detail. Furthermore, future researchers need to conduct a study on capital market integration in ASEAN region after ASEAN Economic Community has implemented because the implementation of the ASEAN Economic Community is likely to increase the integration degree of capital market in ASEAN region.